If your iPhone keeps disconnecting Wi-Fi, then this video tutorial shows you clear step-by-step solutions to fix it, and by end of this video, you should have stable, reliable Wi-Fi connection again. So let's get started. The first step is to check for iOS updates because software bugs often cause Wi-Fi issues. So it's important to make sure that your iPhone is fully updated. To check the updates, open Settings. Now tap General, tap Software Update, and here you will find available latest updates. In case updates are available, then update your iPhone to latest iOS because Apple frequently releases fixes for connectivity bugs, and this should resolve your Wi-Fi connection issues. Even after software updates, if you are still facing same problem, then try following steps. We will try to toggle Wi-Fi off and on. This sounds basic, but it works most of the times. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi. Now turn Wi-Fi off. Just wait for 30 seconds and turn Wi-Fi on again. And this quick connection reset should resolve Wi-Fi connection problem. Next, we will try forget and reconnect Wi-Fi network. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi. Now tap the eye icon next to your network. Tap Forget this network. Now reconnect the network using Wi-Fi password. In case there are any issues with saved network settings, then this should resolve the problem. Another way to fix Wi-Fi connectivity issue is to restart your iPhone. Press power button and volume up button simultaneously. Then slide to power off. Wait for 60 seconds and then turn your iPhone back on by pressing power button for 4 to 5 seconds. This should resolve temporary software glitches that can cause Wi-Fi instability. If nothing else works, then last option is to reset network settings. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll down. Now tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and now tap Reset Network Settings. Note that this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords but fixes most of the network related problems. So just try these steps and it should fix Wi-Fi disconnect problem on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.